Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Friday, April 25th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and talk to you about why I stick with postcards even when everyone is constantly sending me new business opportunities to look at, okay? But before I get started, if you've never seen any of my videos before, again, I'm Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and I am truly passionate about helping people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So there's a lot of new programs going out, one in particular that is a new power line business, and I probably, no joke, have been pitched it a dozen or more times already in the last day and a half. All right, people send me messages, oh, join this, it's going to be awesome. Join me, I got the best upline. And I can tell you that just a few short years ago, I probably would have joined it because I had the shiny object syndrome. But one thing I've learned is that you can make a little bit of money having shiny object syndrome, but you're never going to make life-changing income if you're just continuously jumping from program to program to program. Okay? You're just not going to do it. You have to find an opportunity and stick with it until you're building a nice monthly residual income, and then you can go and add a new program. All right? Because if you're not making money with the program you're in now, what makes you think you're going to be able to make money in a new program just because people are hyping it up? You're not. You're not going to make anything. If you're not making any money online now, you're definitely not going to make any money by continuously jumping from program to program. And if you are making money right now in an opportunity, and even if you're just starting out and you're starting to see some results, by jumping to another program right away, it's going to kill your momentum that you already have in the program you're in. Okay, so I highly recommend not jumping from program to program. You know, if you get to a point where you built up a nice monthly residual income with whatever it is that you're doing, and you want to add a new income stream, I'm all about that. I always tell people, you know, if you wait until you're making $500 to $1,000 consistently in an opportunity before you add a new one. All right, because I totally believe in having multiple streams of income. Why would you want to put everything, you know, all your eggs in one basket? You want to have multiple streams of income. The wealthiest people in the world have many streams of income. Okay? But I choose now that I figured this all out. It took me many, many, many years. Okay? The first 10 years of my marketing, I jumped from program to program to program to program. And it just doesn't work. You know, it just does not work. If you're looking to supplement or replace your income, then you want to stick with an opportunity. And that is the reason why I'm sticking with the postcards, because there's no hype involved. There's no tech skills involved. Direct mail marketing still works. It has better conversion rates than email marketing. It's simple to do. It's duplicatable for people who join you. You don't have to spend hours training people how to mail postcards out. In fact, 99% of the people that join me, they don't even need any training. You know, they join me, I send them my resource page, has over 80 different places online they can share the opportunity. You get the same exact letter template that I use in all my weekly mailings, and you get my contact information if you have questions or need any help. And 99% of the people who join me, once they receive my welcome email, I never hear from them because it's so easy to do. You're talking about mailing postcards and letters to people who are seeking ways to supplement or replace their income from home. All right, because when you join my direct mail opportunities, part of the products that you're getting are leads. They're opportunity seekers, and there's some buyers mixed in there as well. Now, if you do join other programs, or if you do join the new programs that are out right now, you can still use direct mail marketing as a marketing method to help generate sales. All right, and I can help you, show you how to do that. It's what I do. All right, I'm involved in other opportunities other than my direct mail opportunities. And I can tell you that since I've added direct mail marketing to my marketing methods, I've tripled my income. All right, so direct mail works. And you know, the point of this video is that just because there's a new program out, every so often, right? It doesn't mean you have to join it, right? You don't have to join the new program. Stay in your lane. Focus on what it is that you're doing right now. When you start making a consistent income, go to something else. You know? But the shiny object syndrome, it will kill your momentum in whatever it is you're doing now. And I'm telling you from experience that you're never, ever, ever, ever going to reach your financial goals that you have, whether it be just supplementing or replacing your income, if you continuously jump from program to program to program. Right? I built real mailbox money without any difficult, you know, it takes work, but there's nothing techie about it. That you don't have to be a marketing genius. You don't have to have a huge email list. You don't have to have any of that. In all the years that I've been doing this, mailbox money, the direct mail opportunities that I'm a part of, they're the easiest ways that I've ever made money online. It just does not get any easier. All right? You're going to join these programs with these matrices and all that. And listen, 98% of the people suck at marketing. And it's because of their work ethic. So you could get a huge downline, but within a month or two, they're going to be gone. Because 98% of people never take action. They just don't have the work ethic, right? I tell people I can't guarantee that you're going to make any money if you join me in any opportunity. But the people who do join me and they take action every day and stay consistent, those are the people who have success. That's why I'm on here every single day doing what I'm doing, showing the results that I'm getting, right? I'm taking action every single day because that's what you need to do if you want to be successful. That's why only 2% of the people in marketing ever make money. Because those are the 2% of people who take action, right? So if you want to check out the mailbox opportunities I'm a part of, the direct mail opportunities, go to joinruss.com, right? Joinruss.com. You'll see the 2 direct mail opportunities that I'm a part of. You'll see the other opportunities that I'm sharing right now and the other services that I'm offering. And if you're serious about supplementing or replacing your income, reach out to me. You know, I'm here to help you out. So I hope you found value in my video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And that's it for this video. But I think I'm pretty sure I'm going to be sticking with the postcard opportunities, right? It's success is about focus. I found my lane with the postcards. They flat out work. They can help you grow other businesses that you're already in. And that's what I'm doing. I'm building my mailbox money empire one postcard at a time. So I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.